Manipur University ki Department of Sociology na sinduna ngasi International Day of Families ki thorom department asida pangthokre. Thorom aduda Manipur University ki School of Social Sciences ki Dean Professor L. Memcha, Manipur University ki Department of Anthropology ki Head Professor Hobism Vokendro amade Manipur University ki Department of Sociology ki Head Professor M. Lilina Maru oiba Mithunglen Singh oina saruk yakhe. Thorom aduga mari lainana Professor L. Memcha na hai Science amasung technology na kham thengna chawkhatlaklabasu ngasidi imung manungge miyoi singa punbagi chang aduki matik hanthaba thengnariba ase nungnang ningai ni family amagi maru oiba sing ase aikhoi khudingmakna mayek sengna khangbagi tangai fadaba lei afaba imung kayana afaba khunai ama semgadoribani ngasidi mi ayambana thabak chinba henbana work pressure na stress na natraga atopa mafam singda leibana imung manungge miyoi singa Lainaramba emotional attachment atu tapna mangsil lakpagi mami tari. Aikhoi kudingmakna tongan ba mafam kayada chatlurabasu yumda haningbagi wakhal faurakliba ase family ki emotional power adunani. Yum haibasi icham chamba structure amakhak nate masidi imung manungge miyoi singge minungshina yomduna leiba mafam adubuni. Aikhoi khudingmakki harauba natraga awaba thodok wathok khudingmakta condition amata yaudana soifadana saruk yagadoriba ase imung manungge miyoi sing asini maramaduna imung manungge miyoi singa lainariba mari ase matam pumnamakta phana thamnaba amade yokhatuna thambage tangai fadaba lei hainasu mahakna makhatana fongdorakhi.
In Manipur, family and community relationship have always been deeply valued. Respect for elders, collective responsibility, emotional bondings, and caring for one another are important parts of our social and cultural life. So it is our responsibility to preserve these values even as society changes. So on this special occasion, let us not only celebrate families but also reflect upon our responsibilities towards each other. Sometimes a few moments of conversation, a simple act of care, or spending quality time with our loved ones can strengthen relationship more than anything else.